Hi, this is Sean with LUX Landscape Lighting. Hardscaping. Have you heard those terms? Seems to be the big buzzword these days. And what is a hardscaping? Hardscaping is anything to do with kind of construction in the landscape area. So if you're planning a project for a hardscape project such as a patio, pergola, deck, outdoor entertainment area, outdoor kitchen, a lot of people are doing these outdoor rooms with TVs in them. You're probably going to want to put some lighting in there because you're going to enjoy these areas at nighttime as well. So if the project hasn't started yet, what you want to do is prepare for it. So once it's constructed, it's a lot more expensive to come in and put the lighting in. So if you're ahead of time, we can come in and pre-wire it. So what that means is, as they're building it, we will put lighting wire inside of posts before they trim them out, or inside of retaining walls before they cap them off. There's a lot of different things we can do to get the wire where it needs to be for the particular lights before they finish construction. And this will save you a lot of money in installation costs. But what if you already have a hardscape project and you want to put light on it? Well, we have methods and techniques for installing lighting on existing hardscapes. We have really long drill bits for drilling small holes to run wires through walls. We use diamond core bits for drilling into paver patios and concrete patios where we can drop lights down into the pavers. There are little tiny lights that can be hidden on different aspects of the hardscape material. And again, the big key to this is hiding the wire, and we have the tools and techniques to be able to do that. So number one, if you're planning a hardscape project, let's talk about the lighting now so we can make it cost effective for you. Or if you already have a hardscape project, don't shy away from it. We can figure out ways to get it lit up and make it look attractive, and also make it very usable for you when you're out there enjoying a nice summer evening and having it lit up so you can see your friends and enjoy the outside environment.